Hello everyone, today we are making delicious chicken bhuna masala using Mania's masala. In a bowl, add chicken pieces, add salt, Mania's turmeric powder, red chili powder, dhania powder and jeera powder. Now add ginger garlic paste, lemon juice and mustard oil. Mix everything well. Keep the marination aside for 10 minutes. Now fry the marinated chicken. Now in a different pan add oil, onion paste. Now add red chili powder, turmeric powder and don't forget to add the star ingredient Mania's chicken masala. Now add whole spices and bay leaves. It's time to add the fried chicken pieces. Also don't forget to add tomato puree and water. Now let everything cook. Mania's masalas make all the difference, infusing the dish with an authentic and vibrant taste. Enjoy this flavorful chicken bhuna masala with pulao or rice. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.